In the edit page of DaVinci Resolve, hit Shift Option Space in Mac or Shift Alt Space in Windows and search for Text Plus node and click on Text Plus. Now select the Text Plus track and go to the inspector. Here you can change the text. You can also change the font, the size, and other text properties. Let us now switch to the Shading tab. Now click and select element 2 and click on Enabled. And now you can see the text outline. There are many properties for the text outline, but I will focus on the most important ones. And one of them is the thickness. Then I will change the color. You can choose between solid, image, and gradient type. Let's select gradient and then click on this left arrow to select the left color of the gradient and then choose a color of your liking. Next I will enable the outside only checkbox. And in case you want to remove the inner part of the text, go back and select element 1 and uncheck the enabled checkbox. As a final step, I will change the tracking of the text. Keep creating and keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.